What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love, of course. What are we doing today? Well, here's what we're going to do. We are going to do an experiment. Okay, we have the VMS 18x5 front skinny wheels right there. And then over here, you will see we have your basic street tires that we are going to put on those, but we need to see if they're going to fit. These are some cheap $145 215 45 18 tire. Now I know you're probably thinking, why are you doing this? It's ridiculous. Now the Mustang guys, they do this all the time, so it's not like I'm reinventing the wheel. I've seen 255s on those same wheels that I got, so I already know it should work. But I didn't want to get a 255 because that would make it like a 27-inch tire, which means the front tire would have been larger than the rear. Really didn't want that, so that's why I went with the 215. And I've seen cars with the 215, so I'm not really that concerned with it working, but I am still because I've never done it. We're gonna find out shortly. And for the record, I did Google this setup, and Google said it would work just fine, so you can't really go wrong with Google's. I always come here to get my tires mounted and balanced. They always seem to do a good job without having to worry about a bad balancing on drag radius. Okay guys, we got the wheels and tires mounted on the way back to the house. Can't wait to clean them off and show you what they look like. I think it's gonna work. I'm not sure how much air pressure they put in, so I have to test that out. Not gonna put them on the car today. At least I'm not going to drive with them on the car today. But next weekend I plan to go to the track. So we're gonna see what they do next weekend. So when we get to the house, I'll show you what they look like. I'm really curious to see how this is gonna look on the car, because it may be ugly. They look like a one-legged prostitute with an affinity for crack. I don't know. We're gonna find out though. I don't know about y'all, but I don't care if I'm in the Kia or what I'm in. We're gonna power brake and we're gonna go on the light and try to get this win. We always got to get in the win. Everything is a race. Who you think gonna win, me or that? Well, you can't even see it. I need to cut a good tree. Revving it. Oh, I cut a good tree on it. Oh, I don't know if you can see it. This idiot. Gonna get in, gonna steal my joy. I treat that food. Oh, we got that monster under the car cover. Monster. All right, so we back at the house. Had to put on your mic because this wind is blowing kind of strong. So hopefully the sound got a little better. Now it's pretty much time for the reveal. Ooh, I don't know if y'all can see that. Ooh, look at him. They fit phenomenally. OMG. Budget front runners. Oh my God. Oh my God. Now, do they look as good as a front runner? Shit, I'm tempted to say yeah. Now, let me clean this bad boy up. I think I'm gonna jack the car up and put it on to see what it looks like on the car. Back the car up over the lip if I can. May have to move this car to the front to do it. In fact, let me just take these out, move the car to the front, and then pull the Vette out, and we'll do it outside, roll it over, roll it back, and make it work. Let's do that really quick. Yeah. I think this is gonna be a great find, folks. I think it's gonna be a great find. So, you know, I really just had an epiphany. If I'm going to the track next week, I may as well just do a full swap. Wouldn't that make sense? Just to do the full swap now. But it's supposed to rain. I don't know. We'll see. I kind of like to wait to do that, you know, kind of last minute because of the weather is always changing. But for now, we're gonna test out this one for sure because I know that shouldn't take long and I can put these back. None of what I said even matters to this video. All right, fam, we got the tire on here. We got the wheel on here. So far, I mean, that tread pattern is kind of whoop-de-whoop, but let's see. Oh, nasty. That's a lot of space. Seems like we could use a little bit more air in these bad boys. Guess they're probably at 40. Now, the truth is going to be told when we drive over the lip and then drive back. So let me do that because I want to see how much space is going to be in here after the suspension settles. I'm hoping it's not that much. I'm hoping it's the same. And what I do notice already is these tires sit pretty far out. But again, we're just going back and forth to the track on these, so I ain't too concerned about that. In fact, it may even look better once I have it sitting right. By the way, I gotta fix this too. This came undone. I think I scrubbed it when I was making them pulls. I was making some pulls the other day, and I think I scrubbed it. But now, we ain't worried about that right now. I'm curious to see what these tires look like. Get these keys. Let's see. Let's see what the tires look like. See if I made a mistake or not. Fixing to find out. Nasty. I need some E85. All right, we're gonna drive over the garage lip. Some people would like say drive like a mile or two down the street. You ain't gotta do that. You just gotta do exactly what I did, and the suspension will be settled. I think that's about where I was. Let's see. This kind of stuff always makes me nervous. Ooh, perfect. There you go, folks. We got street tires on the radials, on the skinny fronts. These are 215 45 18s, and the fitment is actually perfect. Look at that. That's nasty. I just hope it don't get caught right there on the bump. But then again, how this is parked is putting more stress on the front. I don't think I'll have any turning issues or whatnot. Just kind of concerned about this part, hitting the tire maybe over a bump or something. Let me straighten that tire up a little more so I can get an accurate assessment. This is what this side looks like. You see, it sits way in. It looks to be kind of straight. Oh my God. I think we got a winner. I need to check this tire pressure, but that should be good because I know they always put 40 pounds in it. Y'all let me know what you think in the comment. These are basic street tires, 215 45 18s on 18 by 5s VMS wheels. Curious to see how the drive is going to go, but it should be fine. Curious to see if there's any, I'm not worried about no rubbing front or back. Just curious to see how that's going to do. I think it'll actually probably go down in the fender if I hit something. You know, the tire's a little bit wider than the rim, so you can see like the overlap right there, but I ain't concerned about that. I need to check this tire pressure though. I want to see where it's at. Found my gauge. I know it sounds rough, but it's usually pretty accurate. Told you, 40 pounds, a little bit over. So we good with the tire pressure. We're good with the tire pressure. Okay, so there you have it, folks. We got the VMS wheels with the street tires on it. We're gonna see how it does at the track next week. Kind of just want to switch these tires out now, wheels and tires out now while I'm in the process of doing it. That's one less thing I'll have to do next week, but I don't know, it's been raining on and off, so why put these on now? Put my drag pack on now fully just for it to rain, or if I want to drive it during the week and it rains during the week. So we're gonna leave it like it is now. But you see how it looks. You see how it looks. One last comparison before I wrap this video up. Let's compare the height. If I can. So when you look at these, so these 26s are taller. They are taller. Or maybe not, because the center is maybe taller. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I mean, these look like they sit closer, so we'll find out. But the tire is definitely wider, but not by much, but it's definitely wider. This your boy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.